Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today we discuss about important MCQs related to one paper, Punjab Public Service Commission, NTS, Biology and FSC Biology students, Kingdom Nera, Bacteria and Cyanobacteria. Let's start. The first MCQs, the word Archaeobacteria, division of bacteria derived from Greek, means true bacteria, false bacteria, recent bacteria, ancient bacteria. The correct answer is ancient bacteria. Who coined the term animalcules for microorganisms like bacteria and protozoa? Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, Lewin Higgs. The correct answer is Lewin Higgs. Who discovered the bacteria causing tuberculosis and also developed various techniques of media preparation and maintenance of pure culture? First, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, Lewin Higgs. The correct answer is Robert Koch. Dear ones, प्योर कल्चर मीडिया प्रिपरेशन मीन लाइक हम LB एगर मीडिया और LB लिक्विड मीडिया. LB मीन्स लूरिया बर्टनी. अब कल्चर मीडिया में हम इसको ग्रो करेंगे. कोई भी बैक्टीरिया कल्चर है लाइक हम उसमें एंटीबायोटिक हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं लाइक रिफामाइसिन, कैनामाइसिन, ये हम लोग एंटीबायोटिक उसमें यूज़ करते हैं फॉर बैक्टीरियल कल्चर. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the germ theory of disease postulated by Robert Koch? A specific organisms can always be found in association with a given disease. The organisms can be isolated and grow in pure culture in the laboratories. The pure culture cannot produce the disease when inoculated into susceptible animal. However, the causative organism isolated from the pure culture on to do so. It is possible to recover the organism in pure culture. The correct answer is C. Which of the following structure is not present in all the bacteria? Cell membrane, chromatin, bodies, ribosomes, capsule. The correct answer is capsule. The size of Spirochaete is 0.1 to 600 micrometer UM, 100 to 200 nanometer, 500 micrometer, 0.7 to 1.25 micrometer. The correct answer is 500 micrometer. Next, E. coli, Escherichia E. coli. An example of Enterobacteriaceae is important for causative diarrheal disease. Its size is 0.1 to 600 micrometer, 100 to 200 nanometer, 1.1 to 1.5 micrometer width, 0.75 to 1.25 micrometer. The correct answer is 1.1 to 1.5 micrometer width. In bacterial categories, the bacteria smaller in number are gram-negative bacteria, eubacteria, ancient bacteria, gram-positive bacteria. The correct answer is ancient bacteria. Next, some bacteria ranging occasionally a size of 500 meter in length are Escherichia coli, Spirochetes, Mycoplasma, Euplosycum. The correct answer is Spirochetes. Which of these bacteria is resistant to penicillin as it lacks a cell wall? Spirochetes, Cyanobacteria, Mycoplasma, Bifidobacterium. The correct answer is C. Mycoplasma. Next, what is a cluster of polar flagella called? पोलर फ्लैजेला। डियर वंस, हमने फ्लैजेला के बारे में लास्ट वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स में इन डिटेल डिस्कस किया था। फ्लैजेला एंड देयर फंक्शन। फ्लैजेला बेसिकली जो हैं वो हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर हैं दैट एक्ट प्राइमरली एज अ ऑर्गेनली। इसमें हमने नेक्स्ट में देखा था कि एट्रिकॉयस, मोनोट्राइकोस, एम्फीट्राइकोस एंड पेट्रीट्राइकोस। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs as well as short question. The correct answer is D, Lophotrichus. Which of these is a cocci occurring in single or pairs? Diplococi, streptococci, tetracocci, none of the above. The correct answer is Diplococci. What is chemotaxis? Chemotaxis क्या होता है? Dear ones, one thing remember, chemo plus taxis is the movement of an organism. Swimming towards a bacteria, swimming away from bacteria in the presence of chemical compound. Chemo से remember आपने रखना है कि presence of chemical compound swimming towards or away of bacteria. None of these. The correct answer is C. In the presence of chemical compounds swimming towards or away of bacteria. Next, which of these is exposed on the outer surface of gram-negative bacterium? Lipoprotein, LPS, LTA, electron transport system components. Dear ones, remember sometimes examiner only abbreviate. सिर्फ एब्रीवेशन आपको दी जाएंगी और आप उसको फर्दर जो है वो खुद उसको आपने देखना है। तो LPS मीन्स लिपोपॉलीसेक्राइड्स एंड LTAs लिपोट्यूबिक एसिड। और ये हमने इसमें भी देखे थे लाइक ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया में हम लोगों ने ये चीज़ें देखी थी कि केमिकल मेकअप जो है वो इन ग्राम पॉजिटिव में टिक्विक एसिड और लिपोट्यूबिक एसिड। The correct answer is answer B, LPS. Next, this is analogous of to mesosomes of bacteria, Golgi apparatus of eukaryotes, lysosomes of eukaryotes, mitochondria of eukaryotes, none of the above. The correct answer is mitochondria of eukaryotes. Thanks for listening. Any question you may ask in this section box. Any query? Any question? Thank you so much. These are the important MCQs related to your one paper and also for FSC first year students.